Hi students, welcome back. So my name is Amarnath Ramaya Krishna. So let's begin our class. So we will do few exercises which helps us our core muscles, which will strengthen our back, as well as few breathing exercises. Okay, I will also tell you the benefits out of it. Chariot, Kyungi, Taikon. Okay, Jimbe. Okay, let's begin. Okay, let's do some stretches. Okay, look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rotate your neck. Change. Okay, bend your neck. Change. Palm below your chin. Palm first behind your head and then push. Now open your arms. Now rotate. Rotate backwards. Spread. Open your chest out. Swing. Okay. Rotate your hip. Reverse. Okay. Now hold your ankle. The knee should be pointing down. Change. Okay, stick your right leg forward. Reverse. Change. Change. Okay. Okay, students. So let's do some plank exercises with some variation. Okay. So let's do some plank exercises. This will not only, plank is a very important exercise. Okay. Okay. Here we are going to strengthen by doing plank. It will not only strengthen our abdomen, but our back also, so is our triceps and biceps as well. Okay, so let's begin. So we will have tap planks. Okay, so first we're going to have both the shoulders, both the palms on the ground with one shoulder distance. Okay, and we will push our body up. Okay, and lift our body straight like a log. The hips up like when we do our push-ups. Okay, now while doing it, what we are going to do is we are going to tap our shoulders. We are going to tap our shoulders for 10 counts. Okay, we will do from 10. We will wait and then another 10. Okay, we'll do 10. Stop for 2 seconds and then we will do another 10 counts. Okay, the benefits are you will not only strengthen your abdomen, but you will strengthen your back, your shoulders, your biceps, your triceps, and many more. Okay, so is with your leg as well. Okay, students, and this is a very simple and a very effective exercise. Okay, so make sure you don't twist your body too much in this way. Okay, ready? Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Hold it for 5 counts. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, come down. Okay, very important, students. While you're doing, keep your abdomen tight. Okay, so we will do another variation of plank. So first straight, then elbow plank. So we will do it faster. So we will change from straight plank to elbow plank. Straight plank to elbow plank. Okay, follow me. Okay, ready? 1. Okay, like this we are going to do 10 counts. Okay, are you ready? Okay, let's begin. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Clear? Come to Vajrasana. Sit down. Sit down for 10 seconds. Keep breathing. Continue. Don't hold your breath. Breathing is a very important exercise, students. What I've seen is, while you breathe, the belly has to come out. Will you breathe in? Breathe in completely. What we do usually is, we breathe half. Just breathe half. And always, if you see the animal kingdom as well, the animals which breathe faster are the animals which has got shorter lifespan. You see, dog breathes very faster. It's got a very short lifespan. Like that, many other. And that's why human being has got longer lifespan, because human being has the ability to breathe deep inside. So breathe completely. Take oxygen completely. Fill your stomach, belly. The belly has to come out. Okay? And breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. And believe me, students, the person who does this breathing properly, at least consciously 10 times, is much more healthier compared to a normal person. A normal person may be healthy, but a person who does this consciously for 10 times at least in a day, you can see his health system, it is much better. He is much healthier. So breathe in completely and breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Good, students. And I just remembered yesterday I saw a video, okay, a person who's an ex-serviceman in a foreign country. I'm sorry that I don't remember the name of the country nor the person's name, who created a world record of doing a plank, an elbow plank. Can you imagine how many minutes or how many hours? Okay, I will tell you after I finish this plank, okay, so that you can relate how much the person did. Okay, now we do it. At least we will do it for 30 seconds, and if you can hold it for more than 1 minute, I would say very good. Okay, ready? Let's hold it. Okay, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 20, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, students, I usually do at least for a minute. Okay, so what I want you to do is gradually start from 30 seconds, maybe 15, then increase it by 5 seconds each every day till you reach 1 minute. And after you reach 1 minute, double it to 2 minutes. Like this, the ex-serviceman who created the Guinness Book of World Records has done 8 hours, 15 minutes and 15 seconds. Yes, you heard it right. He's created a new Guinness Book of World Records of doing an elbow plank of 8 hours, 15 minutes and 15 seconds. And do you know what's his age? He is just 62. Yes, he is just 62. And when the interview was done for him, he said, a person is defined the way he thinks. The way he thinks, the way his actions would be there. Correct? So there's a saying, what you think becomes your words, and what your words are becomes your actions, and what your actions continue to be, it becomes your habit, and your habit will define your destiny. So always important, think positive, do positive things, be good, okay? And students, it's 8 hours 15 minutes and 15 seconds. So how many of you are ready to break his world record? I know you can. I know I can. If you decide, definitely we can do it. Correct? Okay, let's do some 20 push-ups. Okay? 20 push-ups. Okay, ready? Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Up. Okay. Good students. Okay. Now we will do some back exercise. Okay, back exercise. Okay. So we're going to get back to the plank position. This is one of my favorite back exercise. This is very helpful whenever I find difficulty on my lower back. I do this exercise and it helps me a lot. Okay. So it's very simple but very, very effective. Okay. Get to the position. Your knees bent. Okay. Elbow straight. Now lift your right leg up. Straight. And look straight. Okay. Look straight. Okay. Just all you have to do is, you see from the side, all I do is I lift my leg up, look up, down, change, down, one more round, change, down, one more round, change, down. Okay, this is very good for your back. Your lower back gets worked out a lot, so it will help you because you keep sitting in front of the laptop or in front of the TV for hours together, and you are not giving any exercise to your back. By doing this, it's a very good workout. Okay, now put your palms down, go down. Okay, lie down on your belly and lift your body up. Okay, lift your body up to a place where your belly is still landed, is still grounded. Okay, and your elbows tuck in and lift up. Look straight. Once you hold it till you can, and then come down, relax, and again relax, come down, one more time, again. Okay, relax. Okay, one more time. Now, another exercise which I usually love to do for my back is completely lie, chin rest on your fingers down here, and simple lift my leg up. You see this? Simple lifting my leg up. It's a very good relaxed exercise for your back. Okay? This is all you do. Okay? Now, come up. Gently come up. Stretch. Good students. Okay? So we'll do few pranayama exercises, Anulom Vilom, but there is a variation which I really love to do it. Okay? So how is this? Okay? Sit on Vajrasana. Okay? So you know to do Anulom Vilom, right? Thumb finger on right. Okay, the one nostril. You breathe in from the one nostril and close the breathing nostril and release later once you release your thumb finger. Okay, so you keep doing it alternative. Okay, ready? Good. Continue doing this. Continue doing this. Ten times. Okay, students, do this at least 50 times. Okay, 50 times. It's very important you do this, and I repeat it while breathing in. Make sure you take a deep breath so that your belly comes down, and while you exhale, your belly contrast. Okay, expands and contrast. Okay, students, good. Now I will teach you another breathing exercise which is very, very helpful for the heart. Very, very helpful for the heart. Okay, this will keep your heart healthy, and not only you can also teach your parents to do this, and it will help them a lot. Okay, are you ready? Okay, all you have to do is, okay, you hold one side of the nostril with your index finger or the thumb finger. I mean, all the objective is to just close one side of the nostril. So I am using my index finger to close the nostril. Okay, and one hand up straight. Okay, and like you're pulling something down, or you can say, like we say Jai Hind, right, in the same way, like Jai Hind. Now what we are going to do is, while we push our hand up, we're going to do it reverse. We're going to pull it down fast. Okay, like a pulley, we're going to pull it down fast, and while we pull it down, we're going to breathe out, and when we go up, we're going to breathe in. Okay, is it simple? It's so simple, correct? Okay, let's do it. Okay, ready? Clear? So let's do it. Same thing with the right nostril as well. Ready? Good, students? Very good. Now we will do some more breathing exercise. So you're going to breathe. You're going to push you're going to push the air, pump the air out very hard. Okay, ready? Okay, you're going to, like somebody is punching, like someone is punching, right? You're going to push, you're going to pump your air from the abdomen and exhale from your nose. Okay, you see this? Good, students? So this is another exercise, and believe me, students, these simple, very simple and very effective. You can do it at any place, right? Sitting on your couch, just get into your Vajrasan, or just take a doormat, right? Place yourself in a comfortable position. You can do this in the normal sitting position itself, like as we are sitting in Vajrasan. You can also sit in the normal asana, right? I mean normal, how we sit, right? You can sit straight and you can still perform this. There's no, it's okay, but we do that in Vajrasan because it's more effective, right, students? So continue doing these exercises. I would say these asanas, which I had a mixture of little normal exercises, so to give a good flavor to it. Okay, you can do your variations, but if you can follow this, it's good enough for you to stay healthy and keep your immune strong. Okay, students, so before we could end the class, I would always want to tell you that keep drinking hot water, right? Don't go out without any reason, I mean unwantedly, or just unless it is required, right? Okay, close your nose and mouth with a good mask, and most importantly, wash the mask after every use. When you go outside, come back, wash the mask and dry it. If you could clean it with a good sanitizer, or what do you say, a good, like a Dettol or a Savlon, right? And then dry it. Okay, wash it again with after you rinse it, Again, wash it, squeeze it tightly and dry it in sunlight. Sunlight, not in the shade. Okay, students? Good students, I'm sure that you're going to follow all these instructions. You've been very good. Thank you all. Thank you so much. So let's meet in the next class. Okay? So eat healthy, drink healthy and stay fit. Okay? Cheerio. Okay? Thank God. Thank you, students. See you in the next class.